Are you hungry for the latest news and trends from the internet? Welcome to What's Cooking on the Internet, your one-stop shop for discovering the hottest digital delights. Hit that subscribe button and let's get cooking.
Can Europe's iris² satellite constellation overcome its challenges and become a reality? We want to hear from you. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. As Europe pushes for more control over its space systems, a big question remains. Can iris² really happen? Despite the buzz around the project, many are skeptical about its chances. In December, European governments and companies signed up to develop iris², a network of satellites that'll provide secure internet and broadband services. The team behind iris², SpaceRise, is currently designing the constellation, a process that'll take a year. Stéphane, Israel, a former arianespace boss and now a partner at Boston Consulting Group, is a key supporter of iris². He thinks it's essential for Europe, especially with SpaceX's Starlink dominating the market. "I'm convinced iris² is a game changer for Europe," he said. "We need to make it happen together." Others at the SmallSat Europe conference shared his concerns, arguing that Europe needs its own secure communication system, independent of non-European providers. But some in the industry are less convinced that iris² is the way to go. "I think iris² is dead in the water," said Sven, meyer-brunswick, a venture capitalist. "It's not a competitive program. It should have been done differently. One of the main concerns is whether iris² can make a profit. Investors are hesitant to put in the cash, and some question whether there's enough demand for the constellation. It needs to be a solid business case," said Daniel Biderman, a partner at Newspace Capital. "Until we have a better proposition, I don't see how private investors will get on board." Another challenge is the risk of cost growth, which could make it even harder to fund iris². Israel suggested that tapping into new EU defense spending initiatives could help cover the costs. Despite the challenges, iris² supporters insist that the constellation can serve both commercial and government customers. Europe has realized that a project like iris², with both public and private elements, is crucial, said Jean-Hubert Lenotte, Director of Strategies at Eutelsat. New players like small-set manufacturers are also thinking about their role in iris². "The biggest opportunity for us is supplying components and systems," said Luis Gomez, CEO of iris². "But there's a risk of spreading the work too thin, slowing things down." As Europe pushes for more control over its space systems, the success of iris² will be a crucial test of its ability to overcome the challenges of developing a major satellite constellation. Only time will tell if Europe's iris² can make it happen. In the meantime, the European Space Agency's Laurent Jaffart argued that iris² will have technical advantages, like using 5-gram standards. "We can be clever with fewer satellites," he said. This constellation will grow over time. The iris² project also highlights the need for Europe to work together to achieve its goal in space. "The challenge in Europe is that we need to cooperate," said Simon van den Dries, head of business development at Indurasat. "We can't afford to spread the work too thin. That would slow us down as Europe navigates the complex space development landscape." The success of iris² will be a crucial test of its ability to work together and overcome the challenges of developing a major satellite constellation.